Good morning, little farmers. I'm Rusty the Chatty Rooster, and I'm here to show you around our lively farmyard. Let's meet my wonderful friends. First up is Clara the cow, with her big brown spots and gentleman. Say hello, Clara.
Hello everyone. I'm Clara the cow. I provide delicious milk for everyone on the farm.
Next, we have Sam the sheep, with his fluffy white fleece and friendly gait.
Hi there, I'm Sam the sheep. My wool keeps me warm and we use it to make cozy sweaters.
Now meet Penny the pig, with her pink snout, and oink oink oink. What's up, Penny?
Hey kids! I'm Penny the pig. I love to dig in the mud and find tasty treats.
Last but not least, we have Danny the duck, with his bright feathers and quack quack quack. Quack, Danny.
Hello everyone. I'm Danny the duck. I love to splash in puddles and explore the pond.
Isn't farm life grand? We each have our own special sounds and jobs that make our farmyard so much fun. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, the farm is full of excitement. Keep exploring and enjoying all the farmyard fun. Hey there, young farmers. Before we say goodbye, let's have some fun with a little quiz about our farmyard adventure. I'll ask you 3 questions about the animals we met today. Are you ready to show off your farmyard knowledge? Let's get plucking. Who loves to roll around in the mud and has a curly tail? Is it A, cow, B, sheep, C, pig? That's right. It's C, pig. Oink, oink. Good job. Who gives us delicious milk every day? Is it A, cow, B, duck, or C, pig? You got it. It's A, cow. Move those. Who loves to swim in the pond and says quack quack? Is it A, sheep, B, cow, C, duck? Yes, it's C, duck. Quack, quack. Well done.